Hello friends. Polyvinyl chloride is the world's third most widely produced synthetic plastic polymer. PVC is a common, strong but lightweight plastic used in construction. It is made softer and more flexible by the addition of plasticizers. If no plasticizers are added, it is known as UPVC, which is unplasticized polyvinyl chloride, also known as rigid PVC. PVC pipes are known for their benefits including affordability, faster and more flexible installation and durability. There are significant differences in the properties and materials that are used in PVC and CPVC pipes. In this video, we will discuss about it. So let us start. Concept: PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride and it is a type of thermoplastic polymer. PVC is a plastic polymer material comprised of 57% chlorine and 43% carbon. The chlorine comes from industrial grade salt and the carbon is derived from natural gas or oil. On the other hand, CPVC stands for chlorinated polyvinyl chloride. CPVC is a thermoplastic produced by chlorination of polyvinyl chloride resin, which increases the chlorine content from 57% to 74%. IS code: for PVC pipes, IS 15778 is followed, whereas for CPVC pipes, IS 4985-2000 is followed. Temperature: PVC pipe can handle maximum operating temperatures of up to 140 degree Fahrenheit, that is up to 60 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, CPVC is more resistant to high temperatures due to its chemical makeup and can handle operating temperatures of up to 200 degree Fahrenheit, that is 93 degrees Celsius. Temperatures above those limits will result in softening of the pipe and weak joints, which will lead to leaks and failure. Chlorine resistance: PVC pipes are reactive to chlorine, whereas CPVC pipes are unaffected by chlorine. Bacterial growth: bacterial growth in PVC pipes is more as compared to CPVC pipes. Whereas in case of CPVC pipes, the bacterial growth is lower than PVC due to more chlorine content. The extra chlorine in CPVC helps prevent bacteria formation in the pipes. Solvents: the primers, solvent cements and bonding agents are different for PVC and CPVC due to the differences in their chemical composition. PVC solvent cement must meet ASTM D2564 specifications, whereas CPVC solvent cements must meet ASTM F493 specifications. Pipe length: PVC pipes are available in 3 meter and 6 meter lengths, whereas CPVC pipes are available in 3 meter and 5 meter lengths. Pipe diameter: PVC pipe uses nominal pipe size, which measures the diameter of the interior hole, whereas CPVC is available in both nominal pipe sizes and copper tube sizes, which references the outside diameter of the tube. Flexibility: the flexibility of PVC pipes is less as compared to CPVC pipes. On the other hand, CPVC has a greater flexibility than PVC and it requires support at every 3 feet interval to maintain its position. Colors: PVC pipe is available in white color Schedule 40 and grey color Schedule 80 pipe, whereas CPVC is available in either off-white, yellowish cream color Schedule 40 or light grey color Schedule 80 pipe. Ductility: PVC is less ductile as compared to CPVC pipe. On the other hand, CPVC is significantly more ductile, allowing greater flexure and crush resistance. Price: PVC is less expensive than CPVC, whereas the addition of chlorine in the manufacturing process makes CPVC pipes more expensive. Types of pipe: types of PVC pipes are PVC SWR pipe, PVC soil pipe, PVC ring feed pipe, PVC agriculture pipe, Schedule 40, Schedule 80 pipes, etc. On the other hand, CPVC pipe comes in SDR 9 pipe, SDR 11 pipe, SDR 13.5 pipe, Schedule 40 and Schedule 80, etc. Uses: PVC is often recommended for cold water systems, vent systems, drainage systems, and irrigation systems. PVC is also a popular choice for yard irrigation and sprinkler systems. Flexible PVC is often used for pool, spa, or hot tub installations where rigid piping may not fit or require more joints. Whereas, if the pipes are going to be exposed to any kind of heat, it is safer to use CPVC because it has a higher resistance to heat. CPVC is ideal for homes with corrosive water or soil conditions. CPVC is widely used in fire sprinkler systems. CPVC is mostly used for hot and cold water pipes as well as industrial liquid handling. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.